My name is Zuli Contreras. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Animal Sciences here at Tarleton State University. This project was evaluating the heat stress impact on the animal's physiology. And we already know that heat stress causes detrimental economical losses to the livestock industry. So in this case, we wanted to focus in sheep, in small ruminants, and see if we could supplement them and give them a dietary supplementation to mitigate the effects of heat stress. This project was funded by the President's Excellence in Research Scholars Award. I'm very grateful for this opportunity because it allowed to fund it 3 undergraduate students. That's my biggest motivation, having these students to acquire that experiential learning and hands-on experience that's going to prepare them to be the future agricultural workforce.
I am Mackenzie Hodge. I am a junior animal science pre-vet major. Doing this really allowed me to explore those skills that I would need to apply to a job without having to need those in the first place. She taught us how to draw blood, how to ultrasound, how to do rectal temperatures correctly, and those are all things that I can take into a clinic and show a veterinarian if I want to talk about it in a job interview or put it on your resume or just on an application.
My name is Hannah Blassingame. I am a senior and my major is animal science with a science concentration. I am super interested in genetics and I knew that genetics was going to be a really big part of this project, as well as just I wanted to get more hands-on. So this project was absolutely perfect for that because it was extremely hands-on. We worked all summer and that's continuing over into the fall, so it's really helping me get to know content more than just looking at books. It's helped me make so much more connections, whether it be professors from a different university that we were able to travel to, as well as our own professors here at Tarleton. I've gotten to know them a lot better, what they do, what they think I can do, so it's really helped me make some future connections as well. I really helped Dr. Contreras with statistics, putting all of our data into specific Excels, helping with formulas, that sort of thing, as well as kind of on a day-to-day basis. We fed lambs, we ensured that they were getting their correct treatments as well as just normal feed and diets. We cleaned pens, we weighed them, so once again, very hands-on. And as of right now, we are doing a lot of lab work. We're able to really look in detail at genetics and transcriptomics and different types of histology of those tissues. So even the small things help us to see really in detail how our treatments impacted those animals. One of the challenges I would say was being here every single day, even if it's super hot outside, making sure that they are fed, they are clean, and that they are happy. Overall, I think that we worked really cohesively as a team. So I think any challenges that we did encounter, it was not easy per se, but it was made easier by the team that we had because we all worked together.
My name is Bella Becerra. I'm a senior animal sciences major. I remember Dr. Contreras talking about it in class and how passionate she was about the research. I really just loved it. Anything I could sign up for the project, I did. And I'm interested in doing a master's, so this was kind of a gateway into seeing if I do enjoy science and the research aspect. And we got to do all parts of it. We got to work with the animals hands-on, and then we're also getting to do lab work now. We got to harvest the animals. So we covered so many aspects, so I could see what I liked, what I did not like. We got to perform the ultrasound. And so we're the ones that were working the ultrasound machine and holding the animals and doing all of it. And Dr. Contreras was really there to supervise us and make sure we did it correctly. So we got to measure the carotid blood flow. We also got to measure the portal vein blood flow with those ultrasounds. And then when it came to harvest dates, we were the ones harvesting. And so we got to collect the samples. And so it was very, very much very hands-on. She let us do a lot of it. So I'm very appreciative for that too. And then I also just love the little family I made with the project. So we were with the same people every day for the summer. And so you get really close to them. And they're future people that are going to be future animal scientists too.
I really encourage all the undergrad students that are asking themselves what research is about to really get involved. I always tell them that you really do not know if you like it or not until you really do it. Reach out to your faculty, ask them what are they working on. If you can participate, great way to learn is actually doing it. So that's why I'm very passionate about this, about teaching all my students to actually get a responsibility and carry that responsibility through a term, let's say a summer, a year, but at the end, it will build what you are as a professional and your career.